Right. So today or right now we are going to learn histogram. Yeah, it is a very good thing, very important in image processing. Yeah, the histogram of an image gives instruction about contrast, brightness, intensity, distribution of that image. So when we need to do some processing with the image to know that here in that part there is a special object, or in the other side there is a special object, so we need to know the histogram can help us. And you can see at the end we use histogram of the images to detect cranes and to know which is the crane. So talking about histogram, we see also color, but let just stay with just histogram for now. So let's show you how to create the histogram of an image, how to calculate the histogram of the image. I can't write, right? So let's do like that. Again, new file, Python file. All right, histogram. So we have to import CV2 as always. Let's import numpy as we wish to say it. And also we have a great library that we can use to display the histogram of the image. The name is matplotlib. Yeah, it's a library that we can show plot, and we can use the plotting library to show the histogram, the way it moves. Yeah, so let's importing some function from the library. So from matplotlib import the plot as plt or something, I don't know how you wish. So let's read the image. CV2, as you already know, imread, and yeah, again, let's be careful. So both .png, and when I add 0, that means we load the image with its grayscale. I don't have to convert it with the second line. So let's calculate the histogram. So we have CV2 and calc hist. With a single line you can do anything. The image, yeah, we post the image here, and we know that we need the 0. We don't have any mask for now, you can see. Yeah, now we pass 0 as the channels, and mask we don't have. And the size of the histogram we can use like 255. It's the highest number for the color, and then we take it from 0 at the plot to 256, for example, or 55. Yeah. So we also can calculate the cumulative distribution function. It's like a CDF cumulative. Let's also write it. Cumulative distribution function. Yeah, it quantifies the probability of observing certain pixel intensity that can be found as an area. So let's calculate this CDF. So if you are interested about theory, so just write CDF in histogram on Google and you will find anything that you want to learn about. But as I said you from the beginning, if we would tell you about theory, about everything, it would be a very long course, so we will just focus on coding. Yeah, that's why we just go by it like that. But if you are interesting, so yeah, consume. Yep, and that's it. We have CDF. We have to normalize it. We can have CDF times we can use float. Is we take the maximum value of the histogram, yeah, and we can divide it by the CDF max. Yeah, so CDF times the float. Yeah, this should be, yeah. So let me show you how to plot that. Yeah, that plot, and here we can add the CDF normalized, and as a color we can add B, stand for blue. Okay, I don't know why it's like that right now. Yeah, and we get another one, histogram, the image, and we use pattern that, and 255 and as color we can use red. Yeah, so let's give a limit to the x axis. So bold x lim, let's give it from 0 to 255, and let's add some legend for legend. We have first CDF, and we can add the histogram. So the location will be, let's use upper left. Yeah, and that's all. Now we can just show our plot in PLT show. Yeah. So let's see. Again, run histogram. Yeah, this is the histogram of our function. Well, the way that we show it, the image is not so good for this demonstration. But however, you can see the blue line is the blue line is the CDF, and the red bar, they are just the histogram. But let's see, we can use a coin. I think I will try to find a coin. Yeah, I will try to find another picture with coins, and you can see the difference between this plot. Yeah, so just a second. So let's test the histogram with the image of the nature. Yeah. We have this image, we can see it, and let's try it. Yeah. So instead of 15.png, so nature png. All right. So Yeah, better demonstration. Yeah, you can see the the blue line go as up as the histogram is going, and then do a curve and go to the top as it is shown by the histogram. So you can see the red line, the red bar. They are just the histogram, and the blue line show the CDF. So don't worry if you do not understand right now, because at the end I will tell you why we use histogram and how it is so perfect too. So see you in the next lesson.